Posture. When you think about it, it isn't just about sitting up straight or looking confident. It's about how your body holds itself through every movement of the day. Good posture keeps your joints aligned, keeps your muscles balanced, and your nervous system working efficiently. On the other hand, poor posture slowly shifts the way, forces trouble through your body, creating stress where it doesn't belong. So, when your posture drifts away from its natural alignment, whether from hours at a desk, or it's looking down at your phone, or repetitive movements at work, certain muscles are forced to overwork, while others weaken from underuse. Now, over time, this imbalance can create tightness and stiffness in the neck, the shoulders, or the back. It can then also even increase the wear and tear in your joints, which could irritate spinal nerves, leading to referred pain in other areas. Sometimes, then the link between posture and the pain's obvious, like tension headaches after hunching over a laptop. But then other times, the connection could be more subtle, with discomfort appearing in seemingly unrelated places, such as the hips, the knees, or even the jaw. So if poor posture is contributing to your pain, simply treating the symptoms isn't enough, because without correcting the underlying alignment and movement issues, discomfort is more likely to return, and it will often be more frequent and more intense over time. So at Provolution Health, we look beyond the side of pain to see the bigger picture of how your body moves and how it supports itself. And how do we do that? Because chiropractic adjustments help restore proper spinal alignment so your body carries weight evenly, which reduces pressure and muscle tension caused by postural strain, which then improves nerve communication for better balance and coordination and healing, which then supports a more efficient pattern of movement, which then prevents future pain. So you can make a big difference to your posture, even with small but consistent habits. You want to start by setting up your workstation so that your screens are eye level. You want to have regular breaks every perhaps 30 to 60 minutes if you're sitting for long periods. You also want to do exercises to strengthen your core and your postural muscles that support your spine. And also avoid carrying heavy bags on one shoulder or a heavy backpack because that can really add the load. So overall, posture is more than a habit. It's the foundation for how your body feels and functions. When your alignment's right, you move more freely, you feel less tension, and reduce the risk of ongoing pain. If aches, stiffness, or fatigue have been creeping in, it may be time to look at how your posture is affecting your health. You can book an appointment by calling us on 6299 2660. Thank you.